Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn about a production technique known as producing at double tempo. There are some musical styles where some of their sounds have very fast rhythms, with durations of half a step or even smaller. This is common in trap, for example, where most percussion elements are slow, but the hi-hats are very fast. In this example, we can see how at a tempo of 80 BPM, we have this arrangement of sounds, and the hat occupies all the steps. And in this other example, at a tempo of 160 BPM, the distance between the sounds doubled. If we listen to both rhythms, they sound the same. There is no difference in sound, but they are produced differently. The advantage here is that in the case of the 160 tempo, which is double 80, I have more steps available to make quick variations without having to enter the piano roll or zoom in to make small divisions. That's the utility of using double tempo for production. It's like having more resolution to place the sounds. With this, we can realize another important thing. Regardless of the tempo of our project, we can give different sensations of speed depending on how we separate the sounds and without having to alter the tempo. For example, here I have a tempo of 160 BPM. The kick appears on beats 1 and 6, the snare on beat 3 and 7, and the close hat on every beat. But in the next rhythm, I have a kick in beat 1 and half of beat 3, the snare on beats 2 and 4, and the hat every 2 steps. It's the same tempo, but it gives the sensation of going much faster. This time you don't have much homework. The only thing I'm going to ask you to do is to go and research on the internet what are some of the most common tempos for the musical style you want to produce. And depending on that, go to your music production software, set that tempo, and see what happens if you place the kick and the snare as you normally would. That is, a kick on every beat and the snare on beats 2 and 4. And then try placing things at double tempo. That is, with twice the space between each sound. That way you will realize if that musical style is produced at normal tempo or double tempo. That will be all for this class, and see you in the next lesson.